In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the purchase not available issue here in Brawl Stars. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more Brawl Stars content just like this. But if you're seeing an issue that says purchase not available, here in Brawl Stars, here is by far the easiest fix. Go ahead and actually exit out of Brawl Stars and open up your device's settings. Go ahead and navigate to the parental controls or the screen time controls. And from here, you're going to want to go ahead and go to the content and privacy restrictions section. There's going to be a bunch of different apps on this area. If this is turned on, go ahead and click on this App Store Purchases one and just make sure that you just disable the restrictions. If you want to make it a lot easier, just turn off content and privacy restrictions from the very start and you'll be good to go. Or you can simply just disable restrictions for Brawl Stars or allow purchases for the app. But yeah, that is it. Once you go ahead and get loaded back into Brawl Stars, and you will need to restart your game for this, you should now be able to make purchases within the game again. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. And if you're still having errors and issues, let us know down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.